Hello guys, it's been a long time. It's Jack here again from Curate Innovation. Welcome to today's new update. So you might be wondering, where have I been for the last 2 weeks? I'm telling you, the past weeks it's been insanely busy for us. So as we are closer and closer to the delivery date, we pretty much showed the 3D scanner to many potential, collaborators and partners, and it just turned out this product was a hot chick. So pretty much everyone we talked to, they loved it and they wanted a piece of the opportunities with us. So keep it secret with me, will you? So basically, right now we are talking in partnerships with pretty much all major 3D printers in Shenzhen, China. This is a really big deal for us. So I've been traveling a lot, talking with all kinds of companies, to work out the collaboration opportunities. So yeah, so that's pretty much just give you an update of where have I been and why you guys heard very little voice from me recently. And right now it's 12 o'clock in the night, and I'm still, basically figuring out or completing all the questionnaires and all other materials required by one of the 3D printer companies that we are working with. I'm pretty sure we'll hear the news from them very soon about the collaboration. But yeah, it's been really busy, and it just turned out everyone loved the device. And as I'm talking right now, we are testing out the new software version before we release it very soon. But I'm gonna show you the scan process of the new device. So yeah, so there's nothing new on the hardware, but we've been working crazy on improving the user experience on the software side, because as more and more collaborators and partners we're working with, they started to bring up new ideas and new suggestions on the user experience on the software, and we think many of them are very reasonable, and I think we might just gonna do something about it. So we've been doing a lot of software improvement before we are going to put it on the market. So yeah, so you just saw the tail of the 3D scan, and right now it's finished. So let's see how it works. All right, so I'm gonna put it here. Oops. Oh, sorry guys. I think I closed up my phone, but it's okay. There you go. All right, let's see. All right. Okay, let's see how it works and how it looks. So we just made a new 3D scan out of this David head, and that's basically the low, that's the low resolution 3D scan, and it's really clean, very little noise, and of course we are going to mesh it with our cloud service. So with meshing, it's really easy. You guys saw the backend version a while ago, and now you're seeing the full operational one in the app. So let's make sure everything's good. All right, so we can just upload it. And now the uploading process is super easy. It just takes seconds to upload to our server to compute, and now it's done uploading. And now we'll just have to wait, until it's done. So the entire meshing process is going to take about 5 minutes to 10 minutes, depending on how many people are using the server right now. And as you can see right now, it is saying queuing. It doesn't focus here, but it says queuing. So basically you're queuing to wait for your turn to mesh the model. But anyways, I'm not gonna waste time here. I'm gonna check out later for the mesh. But let me show me face again. There you go. All right, that's better. Okay, so let's talk about the manufacturing process and other stuff. You guys might be care about. So manufacturing right now, it's in the very final stage. And yesterday, I believe yesterday we sent out the beta tester email to those selected as the beta tester. Congratulations. But if you weren't selected, don't be sad, because there's pros and cons as a beta tester, right? You get a machine, of course, in the first hand, and you get to try it first. But of course, it's going to have some problems, right? So if you would just wait a little bit longer, you're gonna end up getting a perfect, software and perfect machine that you can jump into it right away, right? So don't be sad if you didn't pick up. I tried my best to put as many of you guys into the list, but still we need to correlate the beta list into our manufacturing plan, right? So we can't really overpick people that we can't fulfill the order. So that's the beta tester, and the second thing is we pretty much fixed everything on the manufacturing issue that I talked about last time. So right now we are just waiting for several parts to show up before we can start to assemble the beta tester units. So this is going to happen probably next week or later next week, and it's going to take some other more days to assemble those units, and then we're going to manually test each unit, make sure they are ready to be shipping to you guys. So after that, if everything went very well, at this stage I believe it's going to be very well, because even before you guys, even before the beta testers, those 3D printer partners that I was talking about, they've been testing the machines into thirds. So they already gave us a lot of tons of feedbacks, and we've been improving those things and the little points they listed out, very carefully. So pretty much when the machine is got to you hands, it's going to be very good and good, very polished. So I believe that's pretty much all the updates I can give you today. I'm going to list out all the important parts and points in the text updates as well, just for you guys who didn't have time to listen to me speaking, so you'll get to see the bullet points. So that's pretty much it, and I hope you guys stay healthy, and finger crossed, because we are very close to the victory. Of course, it's just the start of the victory, and we're going to do a lot more in the future. So stay tuned, and see you next week. I'll definitely keep you guys updated more often. My apologies here to not updating as frequent as usual. So my apologies, and talk to you later. Jack's out.